Hi, it's Tim from EngineFactory.com. I just finished building this beautiful 455 Oldsmobile 475 horsepower turnkey package engine, the Rollercam, for our customer's 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. So again, we have a 455 Oldsmobile engine. We have a double roller timing chain installed, roller lifter camshaft from Comp Cams. We have the Edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads, all the Harlan Sharp roller rocker arms, all adjusted and set. We have the proper spacers under the valve covers for the roller rocker arm clearance installed. Proper oil pan for the 72 Olds Cutlass. Engine block is painted the blue. We have the high torque starter on there, brass freeze plugs, chrome dipstick and tube, black ignition wires on there with all the wire markers all set with the loop clamps on there. We have the Edelbrock RPM air gap aluminum intake manifold, correct aluminum thermostat housing, thermostats installed, coolant bypass hoses installed, the oil fill tube on there. We have the Edelbrock 800 CFM carburetor on there, throttle return spring and bracket, black braided PCV line on there, PCV hose on there, correct grommet. We have the Pertronics small cap distributor on there. That's what the customer wanted. This is real nice for firewall clearance. We have the Pertronics ignition coil installed, vacuum line on the vacuum advance hose, correct automatic flex plate for the 455 Oldsmobile, correct tooth count and balance, K&N oil filter on there, brand new oil filter housing, chrome breather, black fuel line on there, the Russell gas filter, all the custom braided black fuel lines with the AN fittings, high flow poly fuel pump on there, all the fittings on there, all marked. This beautiful black Wraptor pulley kit on here, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, AC compressors on there, the self-tensioning belt tensioner all set in place, high flow water pump, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator. This customer is running a 4-wheel disc bare brake system and a Hydro Boost system, so this is the correct power steering pump for the Hydro Boost system. That's on there. Every engine at the engine factory is live run and tested for over 45 minutes. You're going to see a video of your engine running in stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We set the ignition timing. We adjust the carburetor mixer screws so they have the best manifold vacuum. We check for leaks, we check for vibrations, we check absolutely everything on the engine. So you know when you put the engine in, you'll have total confidence that it'll be absolutely perfect. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. It's a family owned and operated business, been in business since 1969. So there you have it. This is our 455 Oldsmobile, 475 horsepower Rollercam engine with the power forged pistons in it. Thanks for watching.